Good evening, everyone. This session is to discuss different kinds of internship which are offered at Amazon. What are the requirements and how to apply, and what are the best practices you can follow to get selected in your dream company, that is Amazon. So let's discuss what are the different kind of roles which Amazon offers. Amazon offers multiple roles depending on the month, which month they are offered, and to which year student it is offered. The most generic is the 2 months internship which students have to do in the summer, May, June, July, any 2 months of this period. And this is for students going from third year to final year. Okay, so students who are currently in third year, they can apply for this role. We will discuss how to apply on Amazon's website. Okay, the kind of roles available are software development engineer. You have to work in any team of Amazon, and I have to work accordingly on some development project or some optimization or enhancement projects as well. Second role is of data scientist. As you well know, how which kind of role is this, and you can apply any of this depending on your understanding. These openings usually come. It's If you see on Amazon, there are multiple internship openings which are open all the time. So Amazon is a huge company. They have offices in Gurgaon, in Bangalore, in Hyderabad, and Chennai. So they keep hiring for different offices and different team within those offices at any point of time. So you can just go and apply. But largely they hire in the first half of this semester, like August, September, October. These are the time they start hiring students for the next summer, because these company try to start the recruitment as early as possible so that they get the best mind. But you will see openings will be coming in next sem, January, April, May, because it happens like some students don't join, or they get some shortfall of students, so they hire more people. So keep an eye for that. Next is 6 month internship, which is offered from Jan to June. It is only for final year students, so you might find this opening in the seventh semester. We have been sharing for a while now. Opening was announced in around September, and for 2-3 months, for around over a month, it was there active on the Amazon website that you can go and apply. Okay, so there are three type of roles which are offered. Next is a special program, Amazon World of Women. This is a special diversity balancing program of Amazon, where they prefer girl students from engineering colleges and MTech colleges to gain some professional experience, and they are able to learn better. So there are 2-3 type of role. Last year it was just announced, so it was announced around Feb, and they started the process for final year students only, like 2020 batch pass out last year. So they first offered them 6 month internship from Feb to August, around somewhere like that. You can calculate. Okay, and after that, if you are good, you were given proper SD full time roles as well. But they also launched another opening in April in the WOW program only. That openings will be for second year and third year students. For third year student, it was uh, uh, PPO for their 8th semester for 6 month internship only, and for the second year students, it was 2 month internship in the summer of the next year. Like if they were hiring in the April, May, so they can not next year same year. Okay, so twice it was WoW was launched, once in February and second in April. We will discuss about it in role. So what are the different modes of application? One is direct mode. So how to apply in that? Let's look at. You have to just go and Google Amazon student program or student internship, anything. You will just go to one same page. Okay, so you go to this link, student programs, Amazon jobs. You can scroll below, you can read all of this. If you wish, you can go to internship opportunities for students, or it's also coming here only. Okay, so you have to select India. There are 3-4 locations. You can select Bangalore. You are seeing some kind of intern application, finance analyst, not relevant. So this is the internship which is open. This is SD intern opening. I was telling you this kind of opening is always there, and you can find it at any point of time. Then someone is opening, so you may apply to these as well. So first category is direct. So you have to just go to the website, apply, fill up some basic details, your resume, etc. This not a It's a very simple process. Twitter was very complicated, so we demonstrated it to you. Okay, next is on campus, where companies visit some specific colleges, and they in this semester I have seen many colleges of AKTU were also invited, and they were invited students for the written as well. So lots of companies visit on the basis of which college they go. So on campus is always much easier for student because competition is within limited number of students. Next is referral. As you can see, there is an opening here, SD 6-month internship. So prior to this there was an opening for just SD 6-month direct application. Referral was not allowed on this opening is specifically for referral, so you can just find any person who is working in uh, Amazon to refer you. Okay, so this is referral only. Masters graduating in 2021, final year students, 6-month internship done to June. Okay, so you have to get some referral. You can be employed at any location: Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, even Delhi and Pune. Okay, so this is how you apply. Let's look at Amazon Wow. So it's a different program. It's on a different website. So you go on the, let's type internship program. Okay, so this is the website of the old one. Last year it was happened on this website. You can see software development engineer. It was a 6-month internship and a PPO. You needed a 6.5 GPA, greater than 6.5, and you just make sure you haven't applied in Amazon in last 6 months. Okay, this is the process of registration. Okay, so that's how you have to apply for Wow. So another website link was opening, which is now closed, which was open for only for April opening that I told you about. The second opening they launched within Wow. Let's look at the interview process. The last year in 2019 and 2020, all the internships were conducted in a format of 28 MCQs basis on C++, DS and Algo. It was conducted on Metal platform and 2 coding questions to be solved in 1 hour. Let's discuss the process of this year. In 2021 they have slightly changed the process. They have added more sections to this 28 simple questions, like they added a debugging round where you have to solve around 7 or 8 questions in 20 and 25 minutes. So it's like some error is there, so you have to fix the code, add some lines. So very simple. Students have told us it's a very simple questions they were. Next is the coding test, similar to above. 2 coding question has to be done in around 1 hour and 1 hour 10 minutes depending on the complexity. Third is personality assessment, like behavior psychometric test. So there's not exact limit. You can do it 10 to 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, this section is fourth is reasoning ability section, where you have to do 24 question or 25 question in 35 minutes. All this data is on the basis of memory of the students who have applied for these platforms. And so 24 questions 35 minutes. Students were telling us like these were like a rapid fire and they were not able to attempt all those questions. So try to do it fast, try to prepare for each round so you can find enough resources to prepare. As for interviews, these are the written part. Okay, there are 2 written interview rounds for internship and 4 interview rounds for full-time SDE profile. In each interview you will be asked only 2 coding questions with time limit of around 1 hour. So 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes, 20 minutes, depending on the need it will extend. So this is the standard process of hiring. Next we look at interview other aspect of it. So what was the platform which is used this year? Last year it was Metal and this year it is SHL. So SHL is an online platform where you can do assessments. Let's look at it. So this is a simple platform where you can go, and you can also it's advisable to do some practice tests so that you are able to solve them easily when you are asked in written. Okay, next is your interview will be conducted on Amazon Chime. It is a Google Meet like Zoom like product created by Amazon. Coding interview, in actual interview, physical interviews, you have to write code on paper, but in this interview will be digital and work from home. Okay, so online on Chime, and you have to write code on CodeShare. Okay, so the questions of interns will be much easier than full-time role. It's quite obvious how to apply on the Amazon career website. Let's look at how to get referrals. So I have mentioned in the process that you need referral as well, even in direct referral openings. Even in some direct openings you are allowed to get some referrals. So how to get some referral? A lot of students ask, best platform is to get it from LinkedIn. Find someone, find at least 4-5 people in your network or in your extended network, second or third connections which are in Amazon, preferably your alumni. There's so many people working in Amazon, like every college has some alumni in it. So try to find them and approach them. And don't just say directly like, hey, hi, just give me a referral, I want this. Try to engage the person, try to impress them, try to say something that will be more interesting for them. You can start from sending a proper written message like who you are, what do you want to do, why you should be allowed for this position, or like why do you want to connect, how passionate you are about technology. Okay, so you have to not talk about referral directly. I'll edit it. Okay, send your resume. Once you have the conversation, ask for email id or something like that. Share your coding profiles, projects you are working on. Projects is the key thing here to get engaged. You can ask about what kind of tasks they are doing on Amazon. So try to build trust, try to build an understanding before asking for a referral. Then you can just ask politely for referral, and people do give like this. As a, don't think it doesn't work like you have to do cold messaging to people and people don't respond. People do respond. You have to be just a bit more persistent, and we hear a lot of such stories. Okay, next, how to prepare for written. For debugging, you can just practice some input output questions online. There are lots of online platform to practice. You can join our WhatsApp group where we share daily input output question from best sources for your practice. You can also practice automata fixed question of AMCAT. It will be much similar to that only. Reasoning, you have to do some practice for it, check some previous year questions, etc. You will find a lot, but the key factor, the key deciding element of your written part will be the basics of DSA, the coding part, where you have to solve two questions in around 1 hour. Okay, so the topics will be asked will be array, string, bits, stack, linked list, tree, sorting, searching, all this kind of fundamental concepts you need to know. So how do you prepare for it further? You can go and practice on LeetCode. There is a specific Amazon assessment link. Just Google Amazon online assessment questions 2020 LeetCode. So we'll go on a link. You will find at least 30 to 40 questions which are previously asked in Amazon. So it's a good starter for you to practice. First thing you have to do, you have to learn the basics of DSA. You can do on any YouTube video or any book like Narsuma Kanumanchi if you prefer. You can also study from GFG, Geeks for Geeks, for theory. Then you go to LeetCode, try to see what kind of questions are asked. You can check old question. If you want to practice more, you can go explore on LeetCode. You will see a section called top interview questions. Go to it. There are around 50 questions, very selected and very commonly asked question. Go to easy, medium, hard, solve them on your own. Okay, so these kinds of questions will be asked. Practice them. 50 questions here, 30-40 question on the previous link, around 100 question. Then you go to Geeks for Geeks and try to read the interview experiences here. Okay, just go to tutorials and I think you will find it here. Okay, so that will be enough for you to prepare for the written part. Now comes the how to prepare for the interview question. So similarly, LeetCode is best. Refer interview experience. Okay, and these are the technical theoretical knowledge that you need. Apart from DSA, you might be asked about your project, you might be asked about DBMS, OS, networking, and these common topics. So you have to be prepared for them as well. Project is a definitely yes, you have to be prepared. What project you have mentioned in your resume? If you haven't mentioned, you must make sure you do a good project very soon. So technical part I have discussed. You can just go and practice on LeetCode, GFG. These platforms are really good. You can also check interviewbit.com where you will find questions tagged with the Amazon tag. Okay, so some general tips for interview: do some practice. Some students don't practice interview. Try giving some mock interview to your mentors, friends, senior, or anyone who is willing to help you and is smart enough to take that interview. Try to be confident, don't be nervous. Okay, and a lot of people hesitate in asking question. Like if you don't understand what the interviewer asking you, you can just ask a question like, I don't get it, please explain again, what is this, what is that, or whatever you can ask. Okay, in my own personal experience, I sat for interview of Amazon in 2015. So 5 years ago I said, these people are really cool people. They are just similar to your age group, 27, 28, 29. You are like 22, 21. So they will be like 3 to 4 maximum year older to you. So they are just like your bhaias and mentors. So don't get intimidated by them. Try to see them as your friend, as a boss instead of a boss. Okay, try to find when you're solving a problem, try to think loud. Like try to think like, what are you thinking? Just don't get into your code and just not saying anything, not doing anything, keep thinking like I'm creating a for loop, I'm calling a function here, I'm doing sorting here, I'm using this STL template here. So the person will say you cannot use STL, so you do it without STL. So these kind of things you have to think loud. Try to find the most optimized approach. Try to find either in linear time with O1 complexity or n log n at best. Don't solve every problem you will find in a interview will be solved by n square. Okay, so the first approach in your mind will be to do the brute approach, run two loops, and every problem will be solved by that, almost every problem. So but your ideally we should aim for on, and if not on then on log n. So try to optimize and provide the most optimized code only. Next, we look at some of the example questions. What kind of questions? Like critical connections question is asked, where you have to find there is a graph, where you have to find which edges or nodes are too critical. Without it, this graph won't function. Book genre, where you have to tell which is the favorite book. It is similar to the song question, which is there on the lead code. Must to sorted linked list and return the head pointer of the ending. So linked list is very simple, standard question. Check if some tree is BST. These questions are taken from interview experience of Geeks for Geeks. So we can assume these are authentic and these are the actual question. This is also a good question, finding the maximum average in an array. Okay. Longest common subsequence. This is a very commonly asked question. Do practices lock a binary tree, sum of two numbers represented by linked list. This question was asked to me personally, and it's a very favorite question for interviews to ask in the first round of your interview. Count inversions of an array. This is also interesting question. You may be asked question on string as well, on bits as well. Like this bit question was asked. Find the position of leftmost and the rightmost set bit, also the number of total set bits. So you can just look at for this question, and if you are facing some issues in practicing these questions, you can just join us Tathastu Code Week, where we are conducting a 1 week learning program, practicing important questions which are asked in interviews and written part of Amazon. So every day we will give you 2 or 3 questions in the morning, which you have to try doing by evening 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. Then we will add the video where you can see the solution of the code in all the languages, and then we will have a live discussion discussing how good these questions are, which approach is better. So this program will start from day after tomorrow, Saturday 17th October. The registration link for this is there, and if you have any doubts you can ask us, and do register for this program, and it is going to be very exciting.